The Bentley Continental GTC was belatedly given the mechanical and visual updates its coupe sister car benefited from in 2011, but in 2015 benefited from the same mild tweaks given to the coupe at the same time. The Continental GTC is arguably better proportioned than its coupe sibling thanks to the flatter rear bootline and lower roof. Now faster than ever, its hood is so sumptuously thick you wonder how it folds. And with the launch of the V8 version, Bentley has taken the entry-level prices down to a slightly more affordable level. It hardly becomes mainstream but, when combined with much better economy, does make it more viable. The Speed version is the first soft-top Bentley to crack 200 miles per hour, thanks its 625 bhp W12 engine. It's a colossally fast and effortless machine, crushing continents almost as quickly as it empties the fuel tank. Even so, our pick remains the V8. Packing 500 bhp and torque almost as monstrous as the W12. It's perfectly fast enough, and if not, Bentley not offers it in roartier, snortier 521 bhp V8 10 skies too. The V8's lighter weight also aids the handling. That huge nose tucks into corners more eagerly and the massive 2.5-ton curb weight doesn't seem quite as mesmerizing. You could even call it live, if you hadn't ever sampled the delicacy or finesse of a Porsche or Aston. The four-wheel drive chassis also hangs on gamely but, should your senses finally return and you begin driving the Conti GTC in the way nature intended, it will also waft along with a cosseting ride and extremely relaxing gait.